Computer. I'm going to open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I'm going to my computer keyboard, and here you can see this is the numlock key. I'm going to press this number lock key. Okay, before that, if simply I'm going to type a digit. For example, I'm going to type here 10. I type like 10 like this. I press and hold this alt key. You can see that this number lock is already on, and I'm going to type here 8309. After typing 8309, I'm going to release my finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that the exponent 5 also come here. So for adding exponent 5 for any digits, you can try this shortcut method. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.